Hello and welcome back to POS-X Labs. Today we'll be going over the process for clearing a paper jam in an EVO Impact printer. What you'll need for this is, of course, your Impact printer and also a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a long number 2 Phillips screwdriver. The first thing we'll do is go ahead and turn off the printer and make sure it's unplugged. That way you do not have to worry about hitting it again or hitting your paper feed and having the jam get worse. Second thing I want to tell you is do not try to open the printer. If you have a paper jam, it is usually because the cutter head has been pulled out too far. The cutter head will jam against the other parts of the printer, and then it will keep this from being able to be opened. So therefore, in order to keep from damaging any part of your printer, don't try to open it. What we'll want to do is take our screwdriver and insert it in this hole right here. This will go to a screw that will allow you to back that cutter head off. If you're having a problem getting to that cutter head or getting it back, one thing you can do is you can use these two tabs here and you can open this front piece right here. You can slide it back and that will be fine. And then once you do that, you can remove these two screws here and take this piece out, which will allow you to put a little bit of leverage on that cutter head while you're using the screw, and you can back that cutter head away and then get it repaired. What we'll go ahead and do right now is start backing that off, and I'll show you right here is where the cutter head is. Right here you can see on each side of the tear bar there's a dark colored piece of metal with two tabs on it, and it's got a wedge shape cut out of it, and it's slid up underneath the metal where the tear bar is attached. You can see the two tabs there. That's why we don't want to open the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our screwdriver and insert it in this slot, and you have to find just the right angle and right point, and then you want to turn it clockwise. As you turn it clockwise, you should start to see that cutter head slide back. It'll slowly retract. You can see it here. You can see our little tabs at the edge coming clear of where the tear bar is installed. And at that point, our cutter head is retracted, and we should be able to go ahead and open it up. There we go. Now we're free. If you look here, this is our cutter head. It's a dark piece of metal with a wedge cut out of it and two metal tabs on each end. We want to pull it back to where it's just about flush with that metal piece on the bottom. But that's where it's housed, is in that slot. There we go. We can close everything back up. Go ahead and plug your printer back in, and you should be good to go. And there we go, mission accomplished. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to contact us. My name is Shane from POS-X Labs. POS-X, point of sale, simplified.